Namaste everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So today we are going to read the today's articles of November 26, which was in post in the Kathmandu Post. The heading of as you can see that the heading, the farmer in the eastern hills of Nepal produces the oranges worth rupees 1 billion. So let us start our lecture and discuss what is written in these articles. So the Eastern Hills, the Eastern Hill region is expected to produce the orange of worth rupees 1 billion despite a sharp drop of production of fruit this year. So the drop was of 25% drop. Still, we have produced the 1 billion worth rupees 1 billion of production have been done. So Lakshman Bhatrai, the manager of Dharan-based agriculture product wholesale market, said that the hailstorm in the April and May have affected the orange yield. Similarly, according to him, the old trees are dying in the eastern hills, which may have affected the production to some extent. So, despite the drop in the production of 25%, the value of citrus in the market has increased, said by the Bhatrai. According to him, the sales of the orange this seasons are expected to bring 119 million to the farmer home is this year's as compared to the last year's. Until this month, the orange farmer from the Seven Hills districts is Dhankuta, Bhojpur, Terathum, Kotang, Sakwasaba, Panchtar, Taplejung have sold 8,120 tons of orange worth rupees 810 million. So these are the seven districts of eastern part. So let us first understand where it is where it is situated. Let us have a location of this district on the map. So here is the map. You can see this is our country Nepal, and this part is the eastern part of the Nepal, and this is province 1. So let us see the districts, seven district which was sold of 190 million rupees of oranges. So Taplejung, here it is Taplejung, Sakwasaba and Kotang, Dhankutta, Bhojpur, Dhankutta, and this is Terathum, and one is Panchtar. So these seven, this region, this is the seven district which produces oranges of about 190 million. So as you can see that they have produces of 810 millions of oranges, which is of weight of 8,120. According to the Bhatrai, as of now, 350 tons of oranges has been sold. So at the market of Dharan compared to 1,131 ton last year. So the selling price of selling have been decreased from last year. So it was dropped by 25% as we have discussed above. So extended monsoons is also one of the reasons behind the drop of the production of orange this year, as delayed in reaping of the forest. So there is a high demand of Nepali oranges in the eastern region locally and also in the Indian and Bangladesh. So however, since the Nepal oranges are not graded, packed, labeled and or quarantined, farmers have not been able to sell these produced as per the demand. So Jai Bahadur, a farmer in the Dhankuta, Bode village. So since the Nepali oranges are not graded, packed and labeled or quarantined, we haven't been able to export our produce to the neighboring countries. Orange farmers could do the business of over 1.5 billion if we could export the fruit to the Bangladesh. So another farmer that his name is Mani Raj of Bhojpur said that no one has expressed the interest in establishing a brand for the Nepali orange, which has to let the limit access to the outside market. Many new farmers have started the orange production as in the eastern regions and has access to the transport facility relatively, said by the Gyan Bahadur Basnet, the head wholesaler businessman of Dharan best markets. So compared to the Indian oranges, Nepali oranges are really sought after the India and Bangladesh. However, we haven't been able to send our produced there due to the complications related to the cross-border export. So with this, I hope you have understood these articles. So with this, we'll end this lecture and we'll meet to the next article of November 27. So thank you guys. Jai Nepal.